Hello, today I want to show you how actually easy it can be to build and install a glass indoor waterfall. So what you can see here is the technical drawing of the basic main components. We have the overflow channel at the top, we have the bottom tank at the bottom, and in between we have a glass plate. So this is the drawing and this is the result, what my customer installed by himself. The hose is hidden here in this pillar and the water is nicely distributed over the whole glass plate and runs down slowly. So it's really a mesmerizing effect. People come there and they say like, wow. So I hope you can also have this little feeling of, wow, this looks amazing. And I hope you also can get the feeling of, wow, I can do that too, because all you need to do is you fix the overflow channel to the ceiling. You can also fix it to the back wall. Then you use the hose and then the PVC sub-distribution inside here to get the water distributed. Then you use some tricks. I can show you how to distribute the water on the glass. And then you have a pump down here, which is barely hearable, so it's a very silent pump. And then from the pump, the water goes back up to the overflow channel at the top. Of course, there's some things you should take care of, like lime, algae, and dirt, but the water treatment is not such a big deal. If you can handle a coffee machine, you can handle a water treatment of the water wall, believe me. So that's it. 3 components, and yeah, if you feel like you can do that too, or if you feel like you want to do that too, please contact me. I will be glad to support your project. I can deliver to you the overflow channel and the bottom tank, the pump and the hoses. Or if you want to start a business and make some additional revenue, I would be very glad if you contact me too, especially in the United States. I have a lot of prospects and I would be glad to have a good partner who is willing to do trainings there and who also maybe wants to help me redistribute these elements like the overflow channel and the bottom tank. I can ship it here from Germany. We have good prices here. So if I ship it from Germany to the United States, it's still sometimes cheaper than if you would buy it in the United States, but it would be much more easier if I would have a good, for example, stainless steel partner in the United States who would like to help me distribute these parts to those who want to build their indoor waterfall by themselves or to my franchisees. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.